To install the brushes in Blender, go to File, then Append, then navigate to where you've downloaded the blend file, click Append, then go to the brush folder. And in the brush folder, you should see a large collection of brushes beginning with RF and then a 3-digit number. There are 119 in total, so do Shift-click to select them all, then click Append. Then when you go into sculpt mode, you should see all of the brushes there. So I'm just going to show you a quick example of the workflow, which is to create a base object, put that into the very rough shape that you want. Then once you've done that, add a subdivision surface modifier and use edge creases to add definition and where you want sharper edges. Once you've got a rough shape of what you want that's a bit smoother and has a few more faces, apply it, then add a multi-resolution modifier and get it up to about 1 million faces, or as much as your computer can handle. Once you've done that, just start selecting brushes and drawing it on there. It works best when you layer different types of brushes. That's how you get the most organic, natural looking results. It's important to only add detail to where you're going to see it. There's no point adding a load of faces towards the side of an object that your render or animation isn't going to see, because that will just use up resources. Once you've done that, apply the multi-resolution modifier and then add a decimate modifier to bring down the number of faces as much as you can, because it helps with resources. And repeat that whole process for as many objects in the scene as you want. So as you can see, I've done the rocket arch here and I'm just adding some detail on the ground. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Like I say, there are a lot of brushes and it might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but it's fun to have a play around with and see what you can do.